Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have here the Kyosho Fazer Mk2 Challenger Hellcat. I've had this kit for a couple years now. It's great for bashing, but it's not super fast, doesn't handle very well out of the box. But it's great fun to just take outside and run around on the street. And just like everybody else, I want to take this car brushless, but I don't do any speed runs. So what I'm going to do is set up this car for track racing. And I've chosen to put this car in the USGT class. The main reason is at my local track, the USGT class isn't all that competitive. There aren't that many racers, usually just one or two. And we usually race together with the M class just so there's more people running at the same time. So let's see what came out of the box, what the stock setup is. So of course, this is a brushed motor setup. This is the Kyosho ESC down there. This is actually a 550 14-turn motor. 550 is interesting. I've been running this Electron 50C LiPo, and these are plastic body adjustable dampers. I don't believe they're oil filled, and you adjust them with spacers. Under here is the Kyosho stock servo with a plastic servo horn. The wheels and tires are the slingshot design that matches the Dodge Challenger. So first, let me go over a little bit about the USGT rules. More detail is going to be in the link in the description below. But basically, it governs the brushless ESC and the motor. It also specifies the particular wheels and tires you need to use and also the body. There's a 2S battery limit, but everything else is open. So first, let's go over the electronics. I'm going to start with the ESC. I have the Hobbywing Justock ESC. I've used this many times in different builds. I'm going to pair it with the Hobbywing Justock 21.5 turn motor. Now this is not the USGT Spec motor, but I can't find the Gravity RC motor anywhere in stock. So I'm going to use this for now. And my local racetrack isn't very particular as long as it's 21.5. And along with the brushless system, I'm going to change out the plastic drive shaft with this aluminum one. Now this is the Challenger chassis. The wheelbase is a little bit longer than other Fazer Mk2 models. So you have to be very careful when you order this one that you order the correct length drive shaft. This is the FZ02L. And don't do what I did and order the incorrect one. Now I have two of them. I'll probably end up giving this one away or try to sell it to someone at the track. And for steering, I'm going to use this SPT 12 kg low profile servo. And I'm also going to change out the plastic servo horn to aluminum one. I'm going to change out the Kyosho radio system with this Flysky GT3B. I'm also going to race with this ProTek RC lithium high voltage battery. It's 7.6 volts, which is within the USGT class limits, and it's also 100C. And I'm also going to swap out the dampers with this Racing Qutus big bore damper set. This is actually drift spec, but it is 55 millimeters, and I think it's going to work just fine in this car. And these are very tunable. And of course, we're going to be using the USGT Spec tires, the Gravity RC USGT pre-glued wheels and tires. So look for the install videos coming up very soon. I'm excited about this project. I can't wait to see it run on the track. So thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.